How to play Roblox Mobile on PC. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily play Roblox Mobile on PC. So if you want to play Roblox Mobile on your PC, even though Roblox PC version is already available, you can just download any BlueStacks, that is Android emulator, and just come over to its search bar, that is Play Store search bar, and simply search in for the Roblox game itself. So once you search in for that, it will take you to its official Play Store page, just like this, and you can just click on the first link, that is first application, that is official Roblox mobile application. Now just tap on this install from Google Play Store. So it will basically open up the Play Store inside your Android emulator, that is BlueStacks. So you can also view it over here. So once you successfully install it, after downloading it, you should be able to play it just like you were to play it on Android devices. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.